Hi, welcome to another Virtual Tours Creator tutorial. Today we'll start from the basics and I will show you how to connect your MADV camera to your mobile phone using Wi-Fi. First, turn on the camera. Then turn on your Wi-Fi. Find your camera in your Wi-Fi settings. It's usually called MJXJ or QJXJ. If you log in for the first time, it's going to ask you for a password. It always is 1234567 Good. Once you connect, the camera is going to make a sound and you're ready to go to the app. Find your MADVenture 360 app. Press the orange button down the middle of the screen. If you didn't update your system, update it immediately. Once the update is finished, you will see a live preview of the room in 360 and you are now ready to shoot your first 360 photo. Just press the button in the middle. Here you are. Your photo is ready. You can find it in the library over here. There's all your photos that you've taken before ready to be downloaded to your phone from the camera. But we'll talk about that in the next tutorial. Thank you.